Hello, today we will talk about our project. Our project is Internet of Things. The members are นภัส สุรภักดี ณัฐพงษ์ พาเจริญ สรัญ ปิชากรรม อาชิรยา เพียรแย้ม and ณัฐการ ทบแก้ว
Next is IoT. First, what is IoT? Second, how IoT work. Next, IoT architecture. Next, why is IoT important? Next, why we need IoT. Next, base for. Next, advantage and disadvantage. Next, demonstration and summary. What is IoT? Internet of Things, or IoT, meaning device things connect everything to the Internet world, allows humans to control the use of various devices via the Internet, such as turning on of electrical appliances, ordering to turn on the electricity in the house by connect control devices such as mobile phones via the Internet, cars, mobile phones communication tools, agricultural tools, buildings, house, appliances in daily life to the Internet network and other. The Internet of Things or IoT is also known as M2M, which stands for machine-to-machine connect device to get together. Next, how IoT works. 1. Data ingestion. Data that needs to be sent to the cloud for analysis must first be collected. IoT device and all sensors collect data that is either simple or complex. 2. Data transmission. Data from device is sent to the cloud via gateways using cellular and satellite communication. Protocols are used to ensure data security. 3. Data processing. Once the IoT platform receives the data, it begins processing it. This process can range from simple to complex and may involve verification and identification. 4. Data visualization. After the data is processed, the end user receives the data through an interface. The user may receive notifications from an application or email alerts, or the user may have the ability to log into the system. 5. Data analysis. Data collected over time is analyzed to provide useful insights that can be utilized for producing more accurate predictions and to make better business decisions.
IoT architecture consists of the device, network structure, and cloud technology that allow IoT devices to communicate with each other. A basic IoT architecture consists of three layers. The first, prescription, such as the sensor. The second, network, to connect between devices. The third, application, the layer in user interface with. This layer support IoT device through data collection and processing. This architecture goes beyond the OSI model to include the transformation of data into usable information. These things allow business to make immediate action towards the user of automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence.
Why is IoT important? The Internet of Things help people live and work smarter, as well as gain complete control over their life. In addition to offering smarter devices to automate home, IoT is essential to business. IoT provides business with a real-time look into how their system really work, delivering insight into everything from the performance of machine to supply chain and logistic operation. IoT enable company to automate process and reduce labor costs. It also cuts down on waste and improves service delivery, making it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods, as well as offering transparency into customer transactions. As such, IoT is one of the most important technology of everyday life, and it will continue to pick up steam as more business realize the potential of connected devices to keep them competitive.
Why we need IoT? IoT can be connected anywhere in the world that use the internet, such as applications, Google Glasses, running shoes that can connect to running data, including speed, distance, location, and statistics, make our life easier and can increase revenue and reduce cost and collect accurate data. IoT is best for retail business such as inventory tracking, ship, transport and logistics, government, medical and health service sector, home such as smart home. Industry is to reduce costs and increase productivity. Energy industry sector and many other electronic devices.
Advantage of IoT. First, how to communicate. Any communication that goes to the internet or IoT is involved, it will increase the efficiency of communication, whether in the matter of speed of communication nor convenience, no matter where they are or how far apart they are. They will be able to communicate with each other. Second, helping the transfer of wireless data. The transfer of data is faster when it is transferred over a connected network, saving time and money. Third, allow for any action to the network to be automated, which in this section will have a huge impact because it will make the industry more efficient, reducing labor, which is what people in the modern era need to increase convenience. Next is disadvantage of IoT. First, affects the labor force due to the fact that IoT is involved in the work of industrial plants. There is no need for human labor to work, discuss termination problems. Second, high production costs because IoT in the industry is mostly model technology to meet the needs of executive and for product performance. Therefore, the tools used in the work have a high price. Thus, the problem of IoT safety is that most of them can work. They must have electricity involved, which we may see in the news. Cell phone explosions are frequent, which is just part of the danger. And this page is about demonstration video of IoT.
We are about to wake up to a new world. The world of the Internet of Things. Don't worry, it just means that objects will be able to speak to each other. They'll do our work for us and look after us. Now, isn't that a nice thought? They'll be able to react to our movements. They'll understand when we want some peace and quiet, or when we want to get information and news, or just have a nice breakfast. In fact, the Internet of Things already exists. Many everyday objects are already part of it, some a bit too much. Intelligent objects will improve our interaction with the environment and our work. And as they're intelligent, why not have them do some work on our behalf? so we can concentrate on what we enjoy. Meanwhile, the objects will collect data and take care of us. And that's not all. The Internet of Things will help us save money. Do the shopping. Avoid lines. All lines. Step by step, the Internet of Things is on its way. We're working on it at this very moment. How about you? Are you ready to wake up to a new world?
Summary: the Internet of Things concept is an idea developed to connect everything, to assist the practical human being and reduce watch time in various activities. Because time is of paramount importance nowadays, but such a concept without adequate security control, it will become a loophole of scammers to gain access to privacy and guidelines for the user operation of the system. This will be very dangerous of life and property. Okay, thank you for our presentation.